Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete watch history on YouTube Music. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your YouTube Music application, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is where exactly can you download the YouTube Music app from? You can get it on Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone, or you can get it on Apple Store if you're using an iPhone. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type YouTube Music and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing successfully, it's going to take you right into the sign-in page. Now, I'd like you to know that YouTube Music is integrated into your Google account, so signing in is hassle-free. Now, after signing in, that's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage, which has a fantastic user interface, I must say. So now we're here, let's quickly learn how we can delete watch history. Now, for you to do that, head over to this homepage. All right, of course, we're in the homepage now. Head over to the top right corner of your homepage. You'll see your profile picture. So click on the profile picture at the top right corner. Now, the next thing that you need to do is to click on settings. From all of these options showing here, you have your channel, download history, your recap, paid membership, switch account settings, help and feedback. So go ahead and click on settings and it takes you here. So now you have general, playback, data saving, downloads and storage, notifications, privacy, recommendations, paid membership, and about YouTube Music. Now click on privacy. Now that you have privacy, at the top of this window you have the option that says manage watch history. Now click on manage watch history, and that takes you out of YouTube Music right into YouTube history. So this is the YouTube watch history, and of course I've listened to the Cleansing Fire, I've listened to Frontier Fire, and listen to We Heal You, all of this. So if I want to delete any of them from this history, I'm just going to click on this X icon, and once I click on X icon, I'm going to click on delete, and by clicking on delete, that's it, it has been deleted. So just keep on using the X icon and deleting. Got it? So keep deleting and your watch history will be deleted. So you can go by this tutorial from top to bottom and get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.